Welcome to the Unity Fest 2027. Unity Fest. Unity Fest. Mexico, baby. Unity Fest. Unity Fest. Mexico, baby. Mexico, baby. I'm so
Can't help about the shape I'm in. I can't sing, I ain't pretty, and my legs are thin. And don't ask me what I think of you. I might not give the answer that you want me to. Oh well.
I went down to the crossroads, fell down on my knees. I went down to the crossroads, fell down on my knees. Ask the Lord for mercy, take me if you please.
Summertime.
Minds, leaving others far behind in a world of so much sorrow. Oh yeah, the world's on fire, everybody's getting wired, no one's really paying much attention.
also like getting like what your parents teach you when you're young, like Mexican and American. My mom would teach me how to build walls, and my dad would teach me how to jump over. Life.
The winds of the war blowing cold. They're wearing steel, that's right and true. There will be money and you. It's just a hard
Welcome to the Unity Fest.